So this valve is a Rainbird CP100 valve is what I'm using. So let's put this thing to the test. We'll take it out, put a small rocket I've created, and aim it at a target and see how quick this valve actuates and how well it fires. Ready? Oh, wow. So the air cannon performed flawlessly. The valve did extremely well. The target was kind of obliterated. The rocket, not in too terrible shape, really, surprisingly. But it definitely went right through the target, and then of course knocked over the blocks and whatever else. It didn't anticipate that. And it was also much, much louder than what I anticipated. It released the air very, very quickly.